5. There it is. Sending supplies and equipment and experiments up to the International Space Station. Stops, they've gone through max Q, now they're throttling those engines back up to full power. Everything's still looking good. As you can also see a nice picture on the video screen as well, but you can still see, you can eyeball that thing, it's still going fine. Now in just about 20 seconds, those main engines on the first stage should cut off, and a few seconds after that, the first and second stages will separate. Alright, we just had the main engine cut off. You can see we lost that vapor trail. And in just a moment, we should have the separation.